Hey everyone, welcome back to Garrison Farm and Garden. I'm Carrie. If you caught my last video where I showed off our exciting new houseplant arrivals and announced that we'll soon be carrying a full line of houseplants plus the upcoming launch of our e-commerce site where you can shop all this goodness online, then you know that I teased a fun little potting demo. So today we're going to upgrade this adorable string of turtles from its 4-inch nursery pot into this super cute goddess head planter that I snagged from Amazon. It's got that Grecian vibe, perfect for adding some personality to your space. And guess what? Soon you'll be able to find the string of turtles and tons of other plants, pots, and gardening supplies on our new website. So be sure that you're signed up for updates so you don't miss that launch date. First, here's what you'll need. Your string of turtles, of course, a planter. The method we're using today will work well for any no-drain decorative pot. Pea gravel for the base, horticultural charcoal to keep things fresh, succulent potting mix for that perfect drainage, a scoop or a trowel, even a spoon will work well when you're dealing with such a small planter for getting those layers in there. And of course, a watering can, preferably with a narrow spout like this to be very careful to not overwater. Now for the layers. This is key for no-drain pots to avoid root rot. First, add about 1/2 inch to 1 inch of pea gravel at the bottom. This creates a little reservoir so excess water doesn't sit on the roots. Next, sprinkle a thin layer of charcoal over the gravel, maybe 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Charcoal acts like a filter, absorbing impurities and preventing any funky smells. Then add a bit of succulent potting mix on top to raise the plant up. This mix is super gritty and drains fast, perfect for our turtle friend. Next, we'll gently tip the plant out of its nursery pot and we'll take a little look at these roots. Now, generally, I would size up 1 to 2 inches when repotting my houseplants, but string of turtles don't need a ton of space. They have shallow roots, and this one is quite small, so our small planter will work great. Just remove a little bit of the excess soil. Pop that in place, letting those turtles trail over. We'll fill in around the roots with more succulent mix. Pressing gently to secure it. Don't pack it too tight. We want a little airflow. Keep the soil about 1/2 inch below the rim to prevent overflow when watering. Finally, give it a light drink. Water slowly until you see it start to moisten the soil, but stop before it pools on top. And there you have it, a stylish repotted string of turtles ready to brighten up your home. If you love this, come visit us at the nursery here in beautiful Cornelia, Georgia for more houseplants. We'll open for the 2026 gardening season on March 11th, or coming soon, you can shop our e-commerce site for easy delivery. We'll have these plants, various pots and supplies, and even home decor to match. So what plant should we do next? Drop a comment below, like, subscribe, hit the bell for more plant tips. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.